If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Call of Duty installed. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through the game launcher or platform you are using. Step 2. Verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files can lead to crashes. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any issues and replace or repair files as needed. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your system. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. High graphics settings may overwhelm your system and lead to crashes. Lower the graphics settings in the game options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows to see if this improves stability. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. If your hardware is below the required specifications, consider upgrading components or playing on a lower setting to improve performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.